In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Microsoft Access database without or outside access in full screen mode. The goal here is to make your database feel like a standalone app by presenting your main form as a floating, focused window. This gives users a clean, immersive experience without the usual Access interface distracting them. Start by opening your Microsoft Access database. Have in mind which form you want users to see first, typically your main menu or dashboard. That form will be the centerpiece of the experience, so it's the one we'll configure. Next, head to the Create tab. Even if you're not building something new right now, this puts you in the right context for working with forms and makes it easy to access form-related tools. Now open your form in Design View. Design View is where you can change the form's behavior and appearance, not just its data. If you use a startup form, choose that one because the changes you make here will define how the database greets your users. With the form open in Design View, open the property sheet. The quickest way is to press F4. The property sheet is the control center for how the form acts, its windowing behavior, how it looks, and how it handles user interaction. In the property sheet, switch to the Other tab. You'll see a collection of settings that affect the window's presence and how users can interact with it. Set pop-up to yes and set modal to yes. Pop-up tells Access to show the form as its own floating window, visually separated from the main Access workspace. Modal means users must complete their interaction with this form before they can return to anything else in Access. Together, these two settings remove the visual clutter of the Access shell and keep attention squarely on your form. This combination makes the form float above the Access application and requires user interaction right there, creating the feel of a standalone application. It's a simple change with a big impact on user experience, especially when you want the database to look like it runs outside of Access. For a cleaner, more professional look, set border style to thin. This trims the window frame so it appears lighter and less like a typical Access object, further reinforcing that focused, app-like vibe. That's it. By opening your database, working with your form in Design View, using the Property Sheet's Other tab, and setting pop-up and modal to yes with a thin border, you'll present your users with a streamlined, full-screen style experience that feels independent of the Access interface.